Well, what do we have here? What's up, guys? We're back in the garage pro shop, and today we're gonna be drilling up some parallax effects. Now, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot. And if you guys wanna see a giveaway, hit that like button. We'll see how high the likes get, and we'll see how good we feel about giving a ball away. Effects. All right, we got two parallax effects here. We're gonna compare pin up versus pin down, and what better ball to compare the parallax effect to other than the original parallax. Now here we have the layouts for anybody that wanted to know. Also, twitch.tv/VitaminD Tang, drop a follow. But those are the layouts. This is gonna be the pin down layout, and this is gonna be the pin up one. Parallax effect versus parallax. Tomorrow we're gonna be dropping this video. We're dropping the video tomorrow. We're gonna be comparing parallax effect, pin up versus pin down, and then we're gonna be comparing one of the effects to the original parallax. So, stay tuned. All right, first look, parallax effect, unboxing. See what we can do here. That one doesn't have the bag around it. It's gonna be very difficult for me to pull it out of the box with one hand. Let's see it. Bang. Kind of looks like a Sherlock. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells like one too. Parallax effect. There it is. Parallax effect, light blue, dark blue, orange. What does it smell like? Orange coffee cake. Okay. Here are the numbers. Aeroflow core, as found in the original parallax. Traction X7 Pearl reactive. So this is a Pearl parallax compared to the original. It's just a Pearl parallax. All right, there we have it. We've got our pin down layout. We're gonna compare pin down effect to the original parallax, and then we have a pin up sample that we're gonna compare against the pin down. And the reason why I'm going pin down is because I haven't gone pin down on a parallax yet, so I wanna try that out, see how that rolls. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's little drilling montage slash vlog. If you guys are excited to see this video tomorrow, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps us out, especially with the algorithm. Get this thing recommended and stuff. But yeah, we got parallax effect, parallax effect. It's coming soon. March, baby. Be on the lookout. As always, bowl up a storm. Bye.